Hey everybody, it's the Ginger Optimist, and today I'm going to show you how to make chicken marsala in the Instant Pot. Let's do it. I've turned my Instant Pot on saute mode on more. I've already put a 1/4 cup of grapeseed oil in. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of butter. While our Instant Pot is getting hot, I'm going to add in salt, black pepper, and garlic powder into my gluten-free flour. Now I'm going to put the flour mixture onto my chicken breast. It's got a nice little powdered covering on it. I will put the recipe down below under Show More. If you're not sure how much of an ingredient I've used, you can find that recipe right down below. You want to make sure your chicken breasts are filleted. You want them nice and thin so they'll cook just right. Our chicken is lightly browned, so now I'm going to add another tablespoon of butter to my pot. Allow that to melt. I'm going to add 1 diced small onion and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Now I'm going to add 8 ounces of sliced baby bella mushrooms. Now I'm going to add in 1/2 cup of organic chicken broth and 3/4 cup of Marsala cooking wine. You can purchase this at Walmart for under $3. Now we're going to put the chicken on top of our mushroom sauce. We're going to put the lid on. Make sure our venting valve is on sealed. We're going to turn it off. Now put it on pressure cook or manual, whichever button you have, and let's set it for 8 minutes. We're gonna let it do its thing. While we're waiting on the chicken to cook, I'm going to mix 1½ tablespoons of cornstarch with 1½ tablespoons of water. Our timer has gone off, it's down to 0, so now we're going to do a quick release. The silver button has dropped down, so now we're gonna open the lid, take that off. We're gonna remove the chicken breast. Ah, that smells so good. Now I'm gonna pour in the cornstarch mixture, and we wanna whisk that very quickly. Look at that amazing goodness. Some of the recipes that I've read recommend using different types of mushrooms, but these are the kind that I had, and I love baby bella mushrooms, so they're work fine for me. So you might want to play around with using different types of mushrooms and maybe using a shallot versus using a yellow onion, but I use what I have in my kitchen and it works. Thank you so much for watching the Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll consider hitting that like button. And if you're not following me already, I hope you will. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you on the next video. God bless, my friend. Bye.